Two printers, one arena. Let's see how they compare. Round 1, warm-up time. Latex takes up to 15 minutes. Pro 33R, instantly ready. Round 2, media savings. Latex wastes 2 meters every roll loading. EFI only 0.6 meter, saving 75 rolls per year. Round 3, throughput. Pro 33R prints twice as fast in the money modes, and it's instantly dry. Round 4, power consumption. Latex uses 11 kilowatts per hour. Pro 33R just 1.8, 600% more efficient. Round 5, ink usage. EFI delivers 170% more print area per liter. More profit, less ink. Round 6, printhead replacement. Latex every month or 20 liters and about 3 days downtime a year. EFI, up to 2 heads a year, 1 day total downtime, 25% lower cost. Round 7, value-added options. EFI has a collection of field upgradable power tools for versatility and scalability. Double the speed, half the running cost. Want to speed up printing? Want to spend less on media, power, and ink? Want to increase your uptime? Want to shorten response time to your clients? EFI Pro 33R.